California love.
Having pumpkins today. Oh, this one's nice and cute. Ooh. This one has a good handle. Oh, you already got one?
We've done samples.
Trader Joe's? They do samples every once in a while. You know what? I don't like this one. That one actually looks perfect. You should get that one for Leslie.
Do you think so?
Yeah. Oh, never mind.
God, they're huge.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're making, what was it called? The French onion soup.
French onion
soup pasta. Yeah. So we need some onions. I think this is enough. Kombucha. I think I want a kombucha. Wow.
Chocolate vanilla. Oh, wait. Pause, stop. I'm so sorry. Alright. Part bread. This is French onion. No, we're making French onion.
Yeah.
How many should you like one?
I don't know. I think one's might.
Yeah.
Might be fine.
Yeah, what should be fine? The pasta's gonna be that.
You still have to get Andrew in charge of his pumpkin.
So they emailed me about it, and then we got this paper, right?
Right.
But it says that holiday decor is fine, and we have lights outside, which are like little spiders, like dangling like spider Halloween lights.
I saw that.
Yeah, and I was like, that should be fine. And later on, I was like, oh, I'll email her about it later, because I had to like go to work and start working, blah blah. And then Leslie, she like looked outside, and she was like, our lights are gone. And I was like, what do you mean? And she's like, our lights are fucking gone. And I was like, you're fucking lying. I was like, they took it, like the worker people. And I was like, there's no way they fucking took our lights. But they just put it to the side, because I guess
okay.
something with our guys. But I thought they took it. And I was like, you're fucking lying. I was like, they just took our lights.
They confiscated your life.
I know. I was like, oh my god. I was like, why would they do that anyways? Because they're like an outside company. They're
Right, yeah. They just didn't fucking like your lights. They took out.
I was like, why would they take them? Really threw me off. She asked for these cookies. Chocolate chip donuts.
From Trader Joe's?
Yeah, she always looks at them, but she never gets them.
I don't know how to cut onions.
Oh, you know what do you like beer?
I do like beer.
You know what I think you like?
What?
Like the kombucha.
I think me liking kombucha has helped me,
Yeah.
into liking beer.
These beers. Oh, my mom loves Angry Orchard. I've never tried them. Yeah, do you want one right now?
Yeah.
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 Oh, I think we need...
Twister.
Yeah. No, it's a
Oh.
fucking... I don't know. I think it's on her keys. I was like, open it. Something else. I didn't know. But I don't like beer.
How often do you drink?
Not that often, honestly. I mean,
My eyes burn so fucking bad. Hold on. Oh my god. I'm so bad at peeling onions.
oh, I just take off the whole first 2 layers. it's too precise for me. I don't have enough patience.
You're so fucking funny. That's yummy.
This is I don't know. Oh make myself some matcha.
I don't know how much onion I'm supposed to put in this. I texted Andrew, like, do you like onion, just to, like, double check that, like, people would actually eat this.
Yeah.
Imagine no one fucking liked onion.
I know, unfortunately, this week is not.
Oh, good thing Emily's making Alfredo.
Yeah, exactly. And I know that Emily tried it when, oh my god, when we went to Paris, and she liked it, but there was a lot of cheese on top that she didn't like.
Oh yeah, that's what she doesn't.
Yeah, the cheese. So a little section without cheese, just like the little corner of the top.
Yeah. You have something to mix?
Yeah, that's it.
This is Penny. Vanessa and Leslie's Kiki. She's like 19 years old or something. How old is Penny?
17.
17. Oh my goodness. Look at me. Look at me. Oh my goodness.
Cheese queso.
I got that cheese from Sprouts or Whole Foods. I was just feeling fancy.
It looks fancy. On the trunk. Yeah. Are they big pumpkins? They're decent size.
Yeah.
It's probably the smallest one, but it's not even small either. It's just like.
So only 2?
No, we got like 5. Actually, look at me.
Wait, do you need help?
On the tablet, there's a nice guy right on the tablet.
We're also helping them when we strain the pasta.
Don't hesitate to help.
This marks what people do. This is more way.
Alphabet to me that the number of the devil is 751. It makes sense to me.
Okay, why would you? Actually, hold on. So smart. Thank you. That's enough of that. Oh my god. Oh. That's nice. Hold on. Is that enough? I brought one. I brought one. Go get this.
Who's missing one?
I
don't think any of us are missing. Oh, Vinny. Oh, but he's gonna come late.
Yeah.
Because I volunteered to not, so someone else can.
You don't want to carve
Not that I don't want to.
You don't want to carve a pocket pumpkin.
I'm lazy as fuck. I'm lazy, bro. I'm lazy as fuck. I thought about it and I was like, I don't know what I'm doing.
It's a lot of commitment.
It is.
Wow. Okay.
Wait, what about-
Okay, don't worry about it. Don't worry
what
about
about
it.
Rascal?
Don't worry about it then. I thought that Emily got her one too. Emily, did you get Evelyn a pumpkin? Yes. Yes. See? No, if you don't want to participate, then don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I like nuts. Please don't. Oh, don't around the middle. I know, that's why I'm like, actually, give me a second. But like, this is like, yeah, it's not current.
Is that your door?
I assume so. I mean, the light.
Oh,
Also, like, you had to see, like, can't see me. Yikes. I realized it was hot. I was like, oh shit.
It looks so good. Thank you.
I literally don't know what's enough. It said a serving for 8 people.
You're good.
So I'm like,
Yum. Family dinner.
wait, is it? Well, because that has cheese in it. It's not a lot of cheese, but it's up to you. But we put this one with no cheese. It doesn't even look like it has cheese. It's just like, it's not a lot, but it's a little bit.
Yeah, it's sporadic.
Yeah. Thank you.
Look at that. That's art.
No, honestly, it is true.
Wow, that's so sexy.
Whoa.
Wait, I'm so sorry.
No, wait.
I'm fighting these allegations right now.
Wait, no.
I just can't. Somebody needs to pull out her like,
Please.
I'm not trying the rest.
Like,
She's lying.
can you turn for me?
Sorry about Smokey. Ignore him.
Ignore him.
Look at him. Oh my god.
I love how we're taking shots off of such, like, you know, so iconic. To Vinny! To Vinny coming home. Oh, it's to Vinny.
Coming home.
Yay!
That's
Ooh, it does taste like watermelon.
oh my god. What does it look like? Vinny?
His housewarming gift.
Oh my goodness.
He was not doing that before.
Oh, so it's my fault.
Ew. Why does he? Smokey.
Hello?
Oh my god,
How does
please.
it feel? How does it feel?
How does it feel?
Can't even reach me.
He said, how does it feel?
Oh.
You reversed it.
How does it feel?
Oh my god, what is that?
Okay, Cardi B.
Stop! What is that?
She says, "Mom, what is that?"
I'll send it to you.
I'll send it to you. That's Daniel.
It just looks weird.
Look at him go. Daniel, go play.
It went.
Hey, Daniel. Girl, bye. Go play.
Where's the light on?
No, it was like on the
Monday.
No, I don't remember. I want to see the video right now. So.
That no, because I
I
think
would
you
like
shot.
it. No, I would take one right now.
No, please.
No, don't.
No, because I would.
Don't give her anything. Don't give her anything else.
No, I'm so down.
No, she's not. No, she's not.
No, I feel like she'll end up throwing up after this.
No, I won't.
No,
Like,
not for
you don't know my interest. Like, I can take one more.
No, we're all done. Like,
Ready?
No.
1, 2, 3. Last one, please. Please, we're begging you. Chark it, right now. Chark it. Last one of the night, please. Please. No more. One more, please.
she thinks that uno más. No más.
Just one more. No more.
Just play pretend like we're not scared of what